How to search company data using Clay AI. First, open your web browser and go to app.clay.com. Then sign into your Clay AI account or create a free account if you don't already have one. Once you're on the Clay dashboard, click Find Leads and select Find Companies to start searching for businesses. Next, use the filters on the left side to define your search criteria. You can filter companies by industry, location, company size, employee count, annual revenue, funding, technologies used, and many other attributes. As you add filters, Clay AI automatically searches its database and displays matching companies in the preview panel. Review the results and click on any company to see detailed information, including its website, industry, employee count, revenue estimates, social profiles, and other available business data. If you need more information, use Clay's enrichment features to automatically gather additional company insights, contact details, and verified business data from multiple sources. Once you're happy with your company list, click Continue to save your search. You can then export the results as a CSV file or sync them directly with your CRM or sales tools. That's it. You've successfully searched company data using Clay AI. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more AI tutorials, productivity tips, and easy tech guides.